Hi everyone, just wanted to give you an update. So I've been trialing getting some screens off of eBay to repair with, just because I'm seeing which seller is best for me at the moment. But yeah, so I bought this one. It was sold to me as a manufacturer screen, OEM screen. So in other words, it's the same quality and it's built by the same tools and people that build the actual Apple screens for Apple. However, once I installed it and went to reprogram the screen so that True Tone and everything worked perfectly on it, I found out that the True Tone chip was missing from it. So that means that this is not a manufacturer's screen as it was sold to me, and I paid a fair price for it. Yeah, so I've been missold on eBay for what is in effect a £10 screen, which is a load of rubbish. It doesn't work properly. It looks weird when you put it on. It doesn't look original. And to be honest, I'm not happy with giving that to anyone. I'm not happy reselling a phone that's not up to my standards. So yep, that's going straight back to the seller with an angry email. I've got new parts coming on the way, brand new manufacturer specification screens. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay guys, as you can see, this is a different screen to the one yesterday, but you'll notice that no True Tone where it should be. It normally fits under there. So yesterday I tried to restore this using one of these little gadgets. Works a treat normally, but yeah, the screen didn't actually have the chip where I could do the True Tone. So this one does, and I know it does because I bought it from a reputable company this time rather than eBay. I had this coming anyway. I just wanted to see if I could get anything cheaper. So yeah, we're gonna have a little look. Should be able to get the True Tone back. Sorry, that's my messages coming through. Yeah, I'll keep you posted. Okay, so as you can see on this fancy software I have here, it now says True Tone display fixed. So it just proves my theory that the other screen I had was in fact a cheap £10 screen that was missold to me, missing the chip which allows this to happen. It's a photosensitive chip, so if it doesn't have that, then I can't get True Tone back. So here we go, all good to go. Let's put it back together. Okay guys, as I mentioned before, I was putting it back together. You'll now see, thanks to this little gadget here, True Tone is back. And it just goes to show, don't go buy cheap silly ones on eBay. Stick with what you know, go to a reputable company and you'll get the outcome you're after. Great, stay tuned.